Welcome to our exploration of the epitome of opulence and elegance, luxury homes and lifestyle. In today's fast-paced world, the allure of luxury living captivates the imagination of many. From sprawling mansions to sleek penthouses, the pursuit of perfection in one's living space is a timeless endeavor. Join us as we delve into the world of luxury real estate and lifestyle, uncovering the essence of what it means to live a life of unparalleled luxury and refinement. Luxury homes are not just places to reside, they are masterpieces of architectural ingenuity and artistic expression. Each luxury home is meticulously crafted to embody the highest standards of craftsmanship, showcasing the finest materials and attention to detail. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by an atmosphere of grandeur and sophistication. The soaring ceilings create an ambiance of openness and grandiosity, while expansive floor plans offer a sense of freedom and luxury. But it's not just the physical dimensions that define luxury homes. It's the thoughtful design that elevates them to unparalleled levels of opulence. Every element is carefully curated to harmonize with the overall aesthetic, from the elegant furnishings to the intricate detailing. Innovation plays a crucial role, with cutting-edge technology seamlessly integrated to enhance convenience and comfort. Moreover, luxury homes often boast an array of state-of-the-art amenities designed to cater to every need and desire. Whether it's a private theater for entertainment, a spa-like bathroom for relaxation, or a gourmet kitchen for culinary indulgence, these homes offer an unparalleled lifestyle experience. And let's not forget the breathtaking views that often accompany these residences, providing a sense of serenity and beauty that is truly unmatched. In essence, luxury homes represent the epitome of architectural excellence, where craftsmanship, design, and innovation converge to create an unparalleled living experience. They are more than just places to live, they are works of art that enrich the lives of those fortunate enough to call them home. Moreover, luxury homes often feature lavish amenities that cater to the most discerning tastes. Spacious spas offer a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation, while gourmet kitchens provide a haven for culinary enthusiasts to indulge their passion for cooking and entertaining. In essence, stepping into a luxury home is like entering a world of unparalleled refinement and luxury. Every aspect of the interior design is curated to perfection, from the custom furnishings to the curated art collections, creating a living space that is as exquisite as it is inviting. Location is paramount in the world of luxury real estate, with prestigious addresses commanding unparalleled allure. From exclusive waterfront properties to coveted urban enclaves, these neighborhoods offer more than just a home. They provide a lifestyle imbued with prestige and privilege. Luxury living extends beyond the confines of the home, encompassing a plethora of bespoke amenities and services designed to cater to every whim and desire. From private concierge services and chauffeured transportation to world-class spas and Michelin-starred dining experiences, residents indulge in a life of unparalleled convenience and indulgence. Luxury living transcends the boundaries of the home, offering a lifestyle enriched by a plethora of exclusive amenities and services tailored to meet every whim and desire. These bespoke offerings ensure that residents experience a level of convenience and indulgence that is second to none. At the heart of luxury living are bespoke amenities, meticulously curated to elevate the living experience to new heights of opulence and comfort. These amenities cater to every aspect of residents' lives, from leisure and wellness to entertainment and relaxation. From private concierge services that attend to every request with impeccable attention to detail to chauffeured transportation that ensures seamless travel, no detail is overlooked in providing residents with unparalleled convenience and luxury. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, luxury living offers access to world-class spas where expert therapists provide bespoke treatments tailored to individual needs. These spas are sanctuaries of serenity where residents can unwind and recharge amidst lavish surroundings and indulgent amenities. Moreover, dining experiences in luxury living extend beyond the ordinary, with access to Michelin-starred restaurants and exclusive culinary events. From intimate dinners prepared by renowned chefs to extravagant feasts showcasing the finest ingredients from around the world, residents are treated to gastronomic delights that tantalize the senses and elevate the dining experience to an art form. In conclusion, luxury homes and the associated lifestyle embody the highest standards of refinement, elegance, and success. These residences go beyond mere living spaces. They are architectural masterpieces that showcase unparalleled craftsmanship and attention to detail. The bespoke amenities provided within these homes cater to the most discerning tastes, offering a personalized and exclusive experience. These luxurious abodes provide more than just physical comfort. They present a lifestyle that reflects a commitment to excellence in every aspect. The architectural marvels and bespoke features found within these homes serve as a testament to a world where the pursuit of perfection is not merely a goal, but an ingrained part of daily living. By immersing oneself in the world of luxury homes and lifestyle, individuals gain insight into a realm where every element is carefully curated to create an environment of opulence and sophistication. The essence of this lifestyle extends beyond material possessions. It becomes a way of life characterized by a dedication to quality, aesthetics, and the pursuit of success. In essence, luxury homes offer a unique glimpse into a world where every detail is a reflection of the inhabitants' pursuit of perfection and the desire for a life steeped in refinement and elegance. If the exploration of luxury living has resonated with you, we encourage you to engage with our content. Your support through likes, shares, and subscribe allows us to continue unraveling the mysteries of opulent living and uncovering the finer aspects of life. We sincerely appreciate your time and attention. Until our next encounter, may the aspirations you dream of be as lavish and splendid as the reality you create. Thank you for being a part of our journey.